Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today we are going to solve chapter 10 Changes in the Environment from class 5 science book CBSE board. We will solve the exercise question answers and also insight question answers from the chapter. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get further notifications from the channel. If you have missed any video, then please check out the description box or playlist. And if you have any queries, then let me know in the comment box. Don't skip the video, watch the video till end. Let's start changes in our environment. At first we have some objective type question answers. Number 1, state true or false. Number A, carbon dioxide is responsible for global warming. True. Number B, breathing polluted air causes asthma. True. Number C, land pollution results in infertile land. True. Number D, land music causes noise pollution. True. Sorry, this should be loud music, not land music. Loud music causes noise pollution. True. Number A, tick for that we should do to protect the environment and cross for that we should not. Number 1, use large amount of water for bathing. False. Number 2, use plastic bags to bring groceries. False. Number 3, use compost instead of fertilizers. True. Number 4, listen to music at high volume. False. Number 5, wash clothes near the rivers. False. Next, fill in the blanks. Number 1, glass buildings are used in cold weather to grow plants. Number 2, pollutants are substances that cause pollution. Number 3, fertilizers are used to increase food production. Number 4, plastic is a non-biodegradable material. Number 5, methane is a greenhouse gas. Now we will solve the exercise question answers from the chapter. Before we start, again requesting you to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icons for further notifications. So we have some question answers. Number D, 1, write the names of the pollutants that cause air pollution. Air pollution occurs due to release of pollutants such as dust, smoke, harmful gases from factories, vehicles and from the burning of fossil fuels into air. Number 2, what is built environment? Deserts, oceans, polar ice caps and mountains from different environmental spaces on Earth. Human interventions have made many changes to the natural environment. So this is now called the built environment. These changes are now the part of the environment too. Number 3, what do you understand by waste management? Waste management is an effective way to reduce and dispose waste. We can minimize the waste by adopting the 3 R's principle for waste management. The 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. Number 4, what is CNG? Why should we prefer CNG or compared to other fuel? CNG refers to compressed natural gas. We should prefer CNG as compared to other fuel to reduce air pollution. Number 5, name 2 greenhouse gases. Which gas is largely responsible for the greenhouse effect? 2 greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide and methane. Carbon dioxide gas is largely responsible for the greenhouse effect. Number 6, why catalytic converters are installed in cars? Catalytic converters have been made compulsory in cars because these converters changes harmful gases into harmless ones. Number 7, what are the main causes of noise pollution? When excessive noise is produced, it causes noise pollution. Some main sources of noise pollution are machines in factories, vehicles, loudspeakers, and entertainment gadgets such as television and radio. Now, these questions should be in details. Question answer. Number E1, differentiate between the contaminants of Air and water. Air pollution, water pollution. Air pollution occurs due to release of pollutants such as dust, smoke, harmful gases from factories, vehicles, and from the burning of fossil fuels into air. Water pollution is caused when households and industrial waste are reduced into water bodies. Excessive use of insecticides and pesticides also pollutes groundwater and other water bodies. Number 2. Breathing polluted or dirty air causes asthma and lung cancer. Number 2. Drinking polluted water causes waterborne diseases such as cholera and diarrhea. Number 2. Explain how global warming occurs. Gases such as carbon dioxide and methane added to the air increase the temperature of the earth. This results in global warming. The amount of carbon dioxide in the air is increasing at an alarming rate. It is due to various human activities such as deforestation, burning of wood, and excessive use of fossil fuels. Thus, increase in the amount of carbon dioxide results in an increased rate of global warming. Number 3, explain the 3 R's of waste management. The 3 R's refer to 3 smart ways to get rid of waste and protect the environment: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce. We should reduce the amount of waste we produce. This can be done by buying goods and are long lasting. We must reduce the use of non biodegradable waste such as plastics. Reuse. Instead of throwing away the old items, we should try to find the ways to use them again. Recycle. We can use the materials from products for creating new ones. For example, paper bags, writing pads, and greeting cards can be made from recycled paper. Rubber products such as old tires can be retreated to be used again. They can use to make footwear or swings. Rubber tubes can be reused to make jewelry such as bracelets, necklaces, and rings. Metal items can be melted and designed into new products such as frames, decoration items, and jewelry. Number 4, differentiate between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Number 1, a type of waste that can be decomposed by other living organisms is called biodegradable waste. Number 1, waste that cannot be decomposed or broken down naturally even after a long period of time is known as non-biodegradable waste. Number 2, examples: wood, vegetable peels, and leather products. Here the examples are plastic and glass. Number 5, how does greenhouse effect occur? The greenhouse effect was first identified by Joseph Fourier in 1827. The atmosphere of the earth blocks the heat waves from the sun and allows sunlight to enter. The sunlight hits the surface of the earth. At night, this heat is emitted back into space. However, a part of this heat is trapped by the atmosphere. This keeps the earth warm and suitable for the existence of life. The phenomena is called greenhouse effect. Number 6, can you say with confidence that human beings have taken care of the environment in the past 2 years? Explain. No, we cannot say with confidence that human beings have been taking care of the environment in past 2 years. In the second decade of the 21st century, the human race had already achieved a lot of scientific progress, which has established the new era of modernization. Next point, but modernization is also the reason behind the enormous amount of pollution which is creating serious problems like global warming and environment degradation. Number 7, why have the governments of some states banned the use of polythene bags? Polythene bags are non-biodegradable waste which cannot decompose into the ground, so it can be harmful for land, air, and water. That's why the governments of some states banned the use of polythene bags. Number 8. What are the alternative sources of energy? Solar and wind power are known as alternative sources of energy. Number 9. Developed countries such as USA contribute more towards global warming than a country in like India. Explain. It is because developed countries are exposed to climate and they produce more amount of emissions such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane, etc. As these countries have a large number of factories of automobiles and emissions from automobiles are the chief source of global warming. Now we have some question answers from the chapter. These are inside question answers. Before we start, requesting you to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications from the channel on the right time. So these are the inside question answers from the chapter. Number 1. Which natural things make our environment? Rocks, soil, atmosphere, air, water, plants, animals, and microorganisms all together make our environment. Number 2. Write some important factors which influence the environment. Plants release oxygen into the atmosphere, which helps us to breathe. They provide they provide food and habitat for animals and humans. Insects help in pollination of many flowering plants. Insects are also a part of the food chain and food source of the animals. Some microbes are useful to us. Such bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into the form that can be used by plants. Number 3. Name some harmful microbes: bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa. What is built environment? This had done before. So I move to the next question. Number 5. Do we care for the environment? No, we do not care for the environment due to increase in human population. More land is being used to provide shelter. Forests are being cut for various purposes. Large amount of fertilizers are put into the agricultural fields to increase food production. Constructions of dams, power plants, and other industries has changed the environment adversely. Number 6. What is pollution? Pollution is the addition of harmful contaminants into the environment. Number 7. What are pollutants? The harmful contaminants into the environment are called pollutants. Number 8. Name different types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Number 9. What are the causes of air pollution? Air pollution occurs due to release of pollutants such as dust, smoke, harmful gases from factories, vehicles, and from the burning of fossil fuels into the air. Number 10. What are the effects of air pollution? Breathing polluted or dirty air causes asthma and lung cancer. Number 11. What is global warming? Gases such as carbon dioxide and methane added to the air increases the temperature of Earth. This is called global warming. Number 12. How water gets polluted? Activities such as bathing and washing clothes near lakes, ponds, and rivers add nitrogen and phosphorus containing chemicals into the water bodies. This leads to excessive growth of algae on the surface of water. It blocks the penetration of sunlight and air, thus reducing oxygen. This adversely affects the aquatic life. Oil spills from ships are a major cause of pollution of sea and ocean water. Number 13. Name some diseases caused by water pollution: cholera, diarrhea. Number 14. What are causes of land pollution? Pesticides, fertilizers, and acid rains and solid waste such as polythene, bags, bottles, and cans causes land pollution. Number 15. What are the main sources of noise pollution? This had already done before. So I move to the next question. Number 16. When was the greenhouse effect first identified and by whom? The greenhouse effect was first identified by Joseph Fourier in 1827. So we solved the chapter 10 from class 5 science book CBSE board, changes in the environment, changes in our environment. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get further notifications from the channel on the right time. If you have any queries, then please let me know in the comment box. And if you have missed any video, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will get all the videos from there. That's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.